Freelancing or a 9 to 5 job, which one is really better? Hi, I'm Courage, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us, do well to subscribe and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you get more interesting videos like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for sticking around. Let's dive straight into this video. Freelancing versus 9 to 5 job, the ultimate showdown. Drum roll. Some people say freelancing is freedom. Others say 9 to 5 job gives you stability. So which one is actually better for you? Today I'm going to break it down. Income, work-life balance, security, and long-term growth. So you can finally decide. Before we dive right in, let's quickly define what we are comparing. A 9 to 5 job, steady salary, company's benefits, and a structured work schedule. You work for a company, you have a boss, and you follow others, and you take orders as well. You have stability, but you have limited control over your time. While freelancing, on the other hand, means you are your own boss, but you have no fixed salary and you have no guaranteed work. You decide when, where, and how you work. Also, you're open to high earning potential, but also you're open to high uncertainty. Now, let's break down the pros and the cons of each. Now, let's be real. Money matters a lot, right? Which one actually pays better? Now, let's start with the pros and cons of the 9 to 5 job. The pros: you have steady paycheck, you have benefits, and you have possible bonuses. And the cons: fixed salary, raises are slow, you need promotion to earn more, and that is for the 9 to 5 job. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of freelancing. The pros: unlimited earning potential. You decide your rates, you decide whatever you want to charge. You can wake up in the morning and say, I want to charge $100. The next morning, I want to charge 200. I'm bigger than 200 now, I want to charge 500. So that is the pros for the freelancing. Now let's look at the cons. Your income can actually fluctuate. Usually in the beginning, very, very important. You will struggle in the beginning. Today you make 200, tomorrow you make 50, next tomorrow you make 300, the next day you make 100. So it's not stable, unlike the 9 to 5, right? So that's it for the freelancing. Now let's talk about the work-life balance. For the 9 to 5 job, you have clear work hours. No need for you to sit back and also some extra off after the close of work. When it's 5, you're up and going. Now, the cons for the work-life balance is you have fixed schedule, limited vacation days. Why for the freelancing, you work when you want, travel anytime. Don't forget you're your own boss. Why, on the other hand, clients can demand for work at any time. You have no guaranteed free time, right? Let's say it's 4 a.m. and you want to go to bed. A client can just pop up your screen and tell you, I did this work done. And he or she is willing to pay whatever amount you ask. And you have to do it. You have to do it, unlike the 9 to 5. When it's 5, you are done, you're going home, you're heading home straight. But for the freelancing, you have no free time. Work can come at any time, so be ready. Freelancers often work more than the 9 to 5 employee, especially in the beginning stage. But long term, you can set boundaries and have full control over your time. Now, let's take a look at the security part, which gives you more security. The 9 to 5 job has a regular paycheck, health benefits, and job protection. While on the other hand, you can be laid off at any time, and job security depends on the company. While for the freelancing, you control your income. You can always get more clients, but you have no guaranteed paycheck. Finding clients takes efforts. I mean efforts. Now, here's the truth. No job is 100% secure. Your company could lay you off tomorrow, but as a freelancer, if you lose one client, you can always find another. Now, let's look at the one that sets you up for a long-term success. For the 9 to 5 job, career growth is linear. It can take you 10 to 20 years to reach financial independence. You have no real ownership. You work for someone else. While in the freelancing space, career growth is exponential. You can scale very fast. You can also build multiple income streams, courses, YouTube, agencies. You own your own business and brand. And that for me is unlimited potential. Freelancing gives you more control over your future. You're actually building something for yourself, not for the company. All right, now here's my final verdict. Which one is actually better for you? The answer actually depends on you, honestly speaking. Now, you can choose a 9 to 5 job if you need distance. 1, if you want stability and regular paycheck. 2, if you prefer a structured work environment and a clear career path. 3, you don't like hunting for clients or managing business. While you can choose freelancing if you want these things. 1, if you want freedom and unlimited income potential. 2, you are willing to take risks and also for success. 3, you love working on your own terms and be your own boss. If you are tired of working for someone, freelancing gives you the chance to control your own time, income, and future. But if you prefer a stable and predictable income, a 9 to 5 job might just be the better choice for you. Now, here's a bonus tip. This one is a bonus hack for, if you're in between and you don't know what to choose, here's a bonus tip for you. You don't have to choose one or the other. You can start freelancing on the side while keeping your 9 to 5 job. Now, once you start making enough money, you can transition into freelancing full time. This way, you get security of a job while building your own business. So, what do you think? Would you rather have a 9 to 5 job or you go into freelancing? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that when I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Stay blessed and I'll see you in my next video.